have some problem with my pump, my water pump. It leaks right here. So I will use this to stop the leakage. Now it's now I just shut it down. Now I will look where it leaks. Press reset. Okay, it leaks here and only here. So it's okay. I only need to fix it right there. So let's shut it down. Okay. You should use something like this. Hope it's not leaking from the inside, because I can't turn it. Maybe I need a special tool, I don't know. No. Okay. Let's hope it leaks right here. Let's try to put it this other. Okay. So let's put this PTFE thread seal tape 12 millimeters by 0.75 10 meters. You want to put on the threads. Okay. Let's see if it works. This is a Dutch. We say it's Dutch thread. I don't know why. Let's see now if it's crying, still crying or not. So reset. Well, I think it works. I don't see any leaks, so it might. I will know if it's got some leaks if my pump will start, because it's a automatic flow and pressure control device. So it knows if I have some leaks. He will know and will tell me. I hope I fixed it. So no spill. Okay. Okay. This is it. My irrigation system. Under this bag I have the controller and also the electricity. Maybe another time I will tell you about it. Bye.